She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?
Hey girlies, if you're new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you for tuning back in. We love to have you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So you guys, I'm back with a new hair video, and this video is sponsored by WIGNEE Hair. So shout out to WIGNEE for sponsoring today's video. We love that for us. We love that in general. They was kind enough to send me a 4x4 Peruvian water wave closure wig. I got the color natural black, 150% density, 22 inches. Like I said, it's a 4x4 closure unit, so it's not much parting space, but I ended up doing the half up, half down hairstyle with the two little curly thingies in the front. I thought it was super cute. I'm like, yeah, I like this style. It's cute. Instead of doing like the regular middle part, I'm like, let me just jazz it up a bit and make it look like, you know, fun. This hair is really cute. I love the wave on this unit. Like, honestly, y'all, water wave, deep wave, any kind of wave, y'all already know it's my vibe. I went ahead and installed this unit with just my Got2b gel and a little bit of Got2b spray, the yellow can, and that's it. I didn't take it as far as using my even lace spray, only because I felt like 4x4 closures, it's really no purpose of even putting glue sometimes, or even like putting the strongest hold of one of your best sprays. So I just went ahead and went with the soft hold on this unit because 4x4 is not much that you have to gel or glue down, so it's super easy. I did not bleach the knots, I didn't plug, I didn't do anything to this unit. I just installed it and styled it quick, simple, and easy, the way I like it. So yeah, my unit came in this box right here. It just says WIGNEE on it, and then when I opened the box, it's so much goodies inside of this box, and I love the inside of the satin lining in here. Super dope and creative. A wig cap, a wig brush, some 3D lashes, and a roller for your hair. I haven't used one of these in a long time. Wow. If you want to see how I went ahead and styled this unit quick and easy, just go ahead and keep on watching.
woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby,